Hello everyone, Code Purpose here. We are going on with our next exercise, find reminder. In this exercise, we need to write a program to find the remainder when an integer a is divided by an integer b. So, let's go with the input. In the first line, we read an integer t, the total number of test cases. Then in the following t lines, we read in each of them an integer a and b, and as the output in new lines we output the remainder while dividing a with b. Number of t cases would be between 1 and 1000, and number of integer a and b would be between 1 and 10,000. So let's start writing our code. Firstly, we need to include the basic program stuff, like the EOStream library, which is for input-output streams. From there we are using syn and cout commands. Then we write, or in other words, we tell the compiler that we are using commands that are located in the namespace standard with the shortcuts std, and we have the main part of the program, the main function, which returns 0 if the program finished successfully. After that, we said we need a t, which is the number of t cases. We read the t using the syn command. After that, we have a for cycle, which starts from 0 and goes through unless it reaches t minus 1, which is t times cycle, increasing by 1. And also, from the request of the exercise, we need two integer variables a and b, and we'll read those variables t times, again using the syn command, and we just are going to output a model b and a new line. So the modulus operator is an operator defined in C++ that gives the remainder of two integer numbers. So let's take the test cases and check if we done it as needs to be done. Let's copy this, run the program, paste. We get 110. Is that correct? Yeah, that's correct. So now let's check if other test cases will pass. Delete that. Firstly, let's run. Let's be sure that there are no problems there. Program is running. I think it's executed successfully, and now let's just submit it and check all the test cases, the remaining test cases. Yeah, this exercise is solved correctly, and we just ended on another exercise. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe by clicking the red button right below the like button. You can also turn on the notification to not miss out on upcoming videos. Thanks for watching once again, and see you soon.